This project is all about understanding the text. Now, we can read the text and read what the poet is saying, then read between the lines and have discussions, and then implement movements or innovate movements by being inspired what is around us. The essence of the workshop is to actually understand the layering of constructing a piece of Abhinaya. Now, the piece that we are working on is Lalita Lavang, which is Prabandh number 3. It's about how the environment is inspiring people, how it is affecting people. How do people who are together with their beloveds, how are they feeling? How those who are separated, how are they feeling? And how the poet sees those similarities in the flora and fauna. Movements have to be as real, yet dramatized for the dance form itself, right? So, Lalit Lavang Lata Parishilan. Lalit is something that's beautiful. Lavang is a creeper. So, there are many ways of showing creepers. So, I'm going to share some and then I'm going to ask you to come up with some movement. For example, one is you can show a creeper like that, right? Something that is twining and going up. What else do you think you can show? How can you show a creeper? Any idea?
Can make a little bigger creeper.
Exactly. So, here let's do this, entwining together. So, this is another one. Another one would be like curtains and curtains of creepers are there. And supposing somebody was parting those creepers to look where Krishna is in this situation, right? So, this is various ways of showing just one element, that is a creeper. Flowers. You can show flowers budding like that, like this, or small flowers, depending on what. Or you could show a lotus that is full bloom with many. So, these are various ways. Lalita Lavanga Lata Parishilan. Komal Malaya. Now, Komal could be something that is soft. So, it could be a flower that's kept next to your. This is how you could show the Komalta. Or maybe a butterfly. Show me the butterfly.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. And you feel the Komalta of that butterfly. And then you can swish. Yeah. Supposing we were showing the cooing of the cuckoos. How would you do that? The cooing of the cuckoos. You can hear the cuckoos cooing. Okay. You can hear them. How do you show the cuckoo?
Like a bird?
Yes, that is correct. So you show the cuckoo.
Yeah.
So two birds are talking amongst each other. So these are various ways that you can explore and understand. The best way to understand poetry is to delve deep into it. And for that, you need to detach yourself from day-to-day life and come and do a residency program where you can actually absorb. So you can observe what you're seeing in your environment, absorb it, and then translate it into dance. So the purpose of this residency program is to detach yourself from various other things and attach yourself to dance and dance and dance alone for hours and hours together.